Good morning. So this week is actually going to be the first official week of classes, so all campuses are starting classes this week, and I have a bioinformatics lecture today. So yeah, that's what I'm off to, and I'm actually quite excited to start classes and get back into the rhythm of, you know, a normal rhythm. So yeah, let's do it. We are being very Canadian and we are going to a Blue Jays game, which is apparently very Canadian. I don't know. I don't know nothing about baseball, so yeah, we'll see. Follow the crowds. Ja, ik weet niet. I don't know. Gate 4.
Ja, maar dat was dus die waar je in moest.
Oh, level...
Ja, waarschijnlijk zit
level 200?
Ja, dat denk ik.
17?
Waarschijnlijk gewoon verder doen dan.
I've literally like never been to a game. So we are now trying to find out how the game works. So you sort of think that you start there and then you run there? I don't know.
True patriot Lord, in all thy sons command. Oh, Canada, we stand, Lord, God for thee. Number 55, Russell Martin.
And it was actually quite enjoyable. I thought I was going to be bored out of my mind, and I really enjoyed it. So yay! Go Blue Jays! It's 1:43 in the middle of the night, and I am trying to think of 20 to 25 synonyms for the words to run and to trap. I don't even know if there are 25 synonyms, and it's too late for me to like think of one. Okay, well, see you guys tomorrow morning in writing class. So it's now about 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm so freaking tired. But we're going to writing class. So yeah, should be fun. I actually got all my work done, so that's pretty good. I'm excited and a little bit scared about writing class because I don't know what we're going to do. Oh, I'm now actually going to just get myself some coffee because I need it. Oh yeah, Starbucks coffee in the morning. So now officially on my way to the audition. And I hate auditions, but well. Woohoo! Theatre audition at Trinity College. Okay, looking for the junior common room. How is this even a university building? confused right now. There's so many fucking buses here. And apparently the shuttle bus is not going today, so I'm really confused. Today I made it. It took me fucking 2 hours to get here from the other campus, which usually takes me 20 minutes, but yeah, let's go to the dark room. So I decided to take the train because it's way faster than taking like bus. Yeah, not doing like the 2 buses and all the confusion again. So this train will just like directly go to Union Station, which is great because then I'll be home fast and I can cook and we can have dinner. So here's the result of a day in the dark room. And now it was to dry and I don't have the space to dry this. I actually really like this one though. Yeah, it's a shame it's got like a smudge on there. Developing struggles. And I might want to try and take this. I don't know, maybe I'll like make a positive of this and see how that works. These are actually also pretty cool. So this is taken with a soup can used as a pinhole camera. Yeah, pretty cool. Hey, good morning. Today it's Saturday and I'm off to see a TIFF movie and it's pouring rain outside, so I've got my rain jacket on. Yeah, excited. So let's go and see some celebrities. No, we're just going to see the movie. We're going to see Brain on Fire. At the TIFF movie screening. Look how gorgeous the theater is.
And that she thought I would fit this. And when I read the book, I was a little bit, Jesus, you know. And I looked at it and I just kind of went, you know what, this film, it's a disease film, it's a medical.
Well, it was such a great movie, like, wow. So we immediately went out and we got the book because apparently it's made after a book, Brain on Fire. I loved it. It was so beautiful and like, wow, it was really good. And it was really cool because the director was there and it was like a Q&A afterwards. Yeah, pretty cool. Now we're in the bar and we're going to play some pool and guys, they always win. Hi, it's what is it? It's like Carter's Sunday or something. Yeah, so we're on the street, on Bloor Street, just walking around, and we're off to find mouth guards to go to Quidditch tryout. Yay!
We'll get on the team.
Yeah, we're so cool. Look, it's really nice. It's an empty street. Yeah, we're walking down the street with our boobs. Which is kind of embarrassing, but at least I'm kind of embarrassed by this. We just got our mouth. Oh, he's not. Okay, well, in that case, then we're good. So yeah, we just got our mouth guards, which look even more ridiculous. So yeah. Oh my god, it was so much fun, but like that was a lot of exercise. So it took 3 hours. I didn't get the chance to film anything because we were basically like playing all the time, but it was just really cool, super intense. It's like a combination of like dodgeball, throwing balls through hoops, and rugby probably. I'll be so sore tomorrow. So we have a leak in our bathroom. Woohoo! Walking to Metro's now to get some groceries. And seriously though, I can already Like I can already feel my legs, and yeah, it's not even next day yet, so I think I'll be so sore tomorrow. And I've got my first trapeze class tomorrow, so that will be fun. So our tiny drip from yesterday kind of went to flood today. Look, it's like all over here, and our bathroom is flooded as well, and there's like cracks in the ceiling. Yeah, like yesterday it was fine, it was a little drip, and then we woke up this morning and then it was like gigantic drip. Like it even flooded into the hallway. But apparently the guy said that it was fixing, so it should be cool.